Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee bowel injury compensation claims. I'll be taking a look at can you claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in an injury to your bowel. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Whether it be from medical negligence or an accident at work, if you're thinking about bringing a claim for compensation for a perforated bowel, regardless of how the bowel injury occurred, if it was down to the negligence of someone else, you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming for bowel injury? Well, in order to bring a claim for an accident resulting in bowel injury, we recommend that you reach out to a no-win, no-fee solicitor that has experience in dealing with bowel injury claims. The good news for you is that we are happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation. We will talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to go over how is clinical negligence compensation calculated and use our soft tissue injury compensation calculator to give you a good idea of how much may be claimed in total, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will be for your injuries alone and do not include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you may have incurred because of the accident which has caused your bowel injury. Now, following this consultation, where we'll talk through your bowel injury claim with you, if we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, and most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as promised, let's take a look at bowel injury compensation claim amount in our compensation claim amount table. In front of us, we have the table for bowel injury, and in the top category, and this is for cases involving double incontinence, namely total loss of natural bowel function and complete loss of urinary function and control, together with other medical complications. And you could expect to receive anything up to £146,840. Then total loss of natural function and dependence on colostomy, depending on age. You could expect to receive anything up to £119,650. Then severe abdominal injury causing impairment of function and often necessitating temporary colostomy, leaving disfiguring scars and or restriction on employment and on diet. The average compensation for this, it could be anything from £35,540 all the way up to £55,590. Then finally, penetrating injuries causing some permanent damage but with an eventful return to natural function and control. You could expect to receive anything from £10,040 all the way up to £19,520. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk.
where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.